Welcome back to another episode. In this one, we are going from Roatan to Utila, which is the smallest of the Bay Islands. It is home to about 4,000 people, many of which became really close friends. Most of them speak English, surprisingly. Welcome to my life, La Vie de Valentina.
Construir también como una torre donde va a haber un restaurante en la parte más alta, esta parte de aquí.
Julie can wear her hair curly. I can't.
Can I style it?
Okay. See what happens.
Estaba averiguando que los del torneo de la pista van a estar aquí en ustedes, ahí en San Quimón. Ajá, ahí mismo.
Hello. Coco, hi.
Saludos. ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Sí?
What did he say? I did, but now I have to get a video of him because he's gonna be like... In this clip, my dad really wanted photos after he saw that beautiful view and the fact that I got up with my camera. And I just want to point out that this is the first trip that I take with my dad since I was a little girl, and it's quite magical because he is the life of the party. He's funny and he goes diving with us.
I want to go there to Roatan Island Brewing Company.
One thing about my little sister and I is that we are always on a mission to find the best restaurants wherever we are. I'm gonna eat now because I is hungry. I literally was forgetting to record this. This is how we are going to Utila from Roatan.
Utila, here we go!
One thing that is so amazing about this beautiful island is where we stayed. We stayed at Tanked Pro Dive Center, and this is a dive shop that also provides lodging. They have a restaurant called the Odyssey in the back, which is super delicious. Everybody feels like home, from the instructors to the owners, and the owners are true dive legends. They have thousands of dives between each of them, well, both of them, and it was just amazing. Good people, good food, good vibes.
I know stuff. Oh shoot. What is it? It doesn't say to dive longer. I can't remember the answer.
We decided to do our advanced open water certification while we were here on the island. And my sister's freaking out because all of the pre-test and practice tests she was supposed to have finished, she did not. So she's guessing, procrastinating, everything that she does best. I love her though. I love her. It's a fun time. Okay. We decided after our morning dive to take a trip around the island, rent out some bikes, just explore the different restaurants, explore the different areas, and just take it all in. Utila is one of those islands. It's a 6-mile radius from one end to the other, and in that entirety you have people that make you feel like home. They make you feel like family. They have amazing food. I could literally spend months here, and it was just beautiful, nice, slow living in between dives, and we loved it. Not all who wander are lost. See, that's why I didn't lock it, and I just kept it in view because you don't want to deal with unlocking it. Flies are like aggressive. ¿Se te olvidó, Luli?
No, I put it in the wrong spot.
Oh, we'll be here forever. Oh, finally. Finally. Oh. Film like that. No, not really. I have to film in my basket. Okay. Let's go. I'm not good at managing this. Look, Mima's Cafe. We just ate at Josie's Cafe. Super nice. Like if you want something like pancakes, bagels, you know, like that kind of breakfast. Some like really cool iced coffee. So good. It was good. It was good. Okay, I'm balancing this camera and I don't want to die. So I'm going to end this now. I originally wasn't gonna leave this footage in, but I think it's important to show that when you're diving and you have a loose regulator, this is how you handle it calmly.